It has been about 2 weeks since I launched Gbolt Systems, which is a software that is an all-in-one solution for your digital marketing needs. And the number one question that I've been seeing across social media is, what are the best features that will actually help me be successful online? So in this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 best features that you can get your hands on that make Gbolt Systems so appealing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned a few weeks ago, I launched Gbolt Systems, which is something I'm really excited about because I think it's the all-in-one solution that you need to take your business to the next level. So what we're gonna do is we're going to talk about the 5 best features that set this software apart from the competitors. Let's go ahead and talk about number 1. The first feature that sets this apart from everything else is actually my ability to go in and help you. All too often when I'm speaking with clients and customers, they'll say, I'm really struggling with connecting my funnel, or my funnel is broken somewhere and I just don't know how to fix it. In the past, I say, well, I wish I could take a look, but I can't. The benefit of Gbolt Systems and me being the owner is I can go into your individual account and see where you're falling apart, where your funnel is not working, and I can make the necessary connection. This is going to save you time, energy, and frustration because you're actually meeting and speaking with the owner, not just some random guy that's hiding behind a keyboard that you've never met. So I would say the biggest benefit of Gbolt Systems is when you have a problem, you're going to speak with me. You're going to reach out to me and I'm going to actually help you for now until we get too big for me to help everybody on a one-on-one level. But for now, I can go in, take a look at your funnel and see exactly where it's broken. And not only that, I can actually fix it. So if something's not working, I'm the guy that can help you out. That is the first one. Number 2 is simply everything is in one place. This is a huge benefit because when I first got started with my online business, I would use ClickFunnels for my landing page builder. I would use GetResponse for my email marketing. And then if I want to sell my digital products, I would either use ClickFunnels or I'd have to go to a third different place. Because everything is in one place, seamlessly, it connects easily. You don't have to use Zapier to create webhooks. If you don't even know what I'm talking about, lucky for you. You don't have to check 3 different systems to make sure they're all connected properly. Everything is in one place, which is going to save you time and help you make even more money. I like the fact that it's very simple, it's very seamless, it's very easy to use, very user-friendly, not overcomplicated with a bunch of bells and whistles. So that is the second thing that I really like about Gbolt Systems. My number 3 is actually the calendar. If we take a look at my screen here, this is a calendar that you can set up, but you can actually have multiple calendars for multiple situations. If you're doing one-on-one booking, if you're trying to organize your life a little bit better, you can actually build out different calendars for work, for home, for kids if you wanted to, all in one place. Now this replaces Calendly and other sites like it, and you can actually send out links and collect payments right through this one app and one platform. You don't have to collect payments in one place and then send out a link somewhere else. All of this can be done in one place, which again will save you time and help you make a little bit more money. So I really like the calendar. I will be switching away from Calendly, but the calendar for online business owners is going to help you stay organized. It's going to give you a very, very simple outlook on what your day is. And you can even block off time if you don't want to be available during those certain days. The next thing that I really like about Gbolt Systems is the surveys and the forms that you can put together. Now there are tons of survey builder softwares out there, and this will actually replace them all. You can quickly, simply, and easily put together surveys, and you can create survey funnels. You can quiz your target audience, and they can help you decide what to do next. Maybe you're trying to decide between 2 different products to create. You can send out a survey and let your target audience decide for you. I really like this opportunity because, again, everything is in one place. This is going to save you time and potentially make you more money. The next thing that I really like about Gbolt Systems is how much flexibility you have when it comes to automation. For example, when I click a new workflow, I can quickly connect my landing page right to my automation. And then if I click on this plus sign, I have so many more options than other email marketing providers. You can send out text messages, you can send out emails, you can even send out Slack notifications, you can call them if you wanted to. There are so many more options than just the run-of-the-mill stuff that you find in other email marketing software. Now, the interesting thing is if you want access to the higher features on those other email marketing platforms, you got to pay for them. But out of the box, all of this stuff is included right with Gbolt Systems. The other thing that I really like is that you can create if-else statements. For example, if someone clicked on the link but didn't buy, you can do another action, which gives you even more opportunity to segment your list, which will help you make more money. But as you can see here, there are so many different options that you can take advantage of. You can add tags, remove tags. You could assign a customer to a user. Maybe you are running an expensive funnel and you want people to call or email them directly. You can actually do that. But as you can see here, there is so many more options and opportunities that you can be successful to make money. Again, one of the biggest benefits of Gbolt Systems is it's going to save you time and help you make money. The final thing that I really like about Gbolt Systems, quite honestly, is the affiliate program. The affiliate program will pay you a 40% commission on tier 1, so anybody that you bring in and enroll into one of the programs, and it'll pay you a 5% commission on tier 2. So that means you could earn up to 45% commission. Now with tier 2, if you bring in somebody, so you get someone to enroll into a program and then they get people to enroll, you will earn 5%. Now you're not going to earn 5% of whatever they make. They still have their own 40% and 5%. However, you are going to earn 5% directly from me, quite honestly. So you could earn up to 45% reoccurring from Gbolt Systems from me out of my pocket. So even more reason to want to jump onto this Gbolt Systems is because it's an incredibly great platform. It has a ton of features, a ton of things to help you make money, and the affiliate program is going to help you as well. So definitely check this out. You can get started with a 2-week free trial if you go to gboltsystems.com. This is going to be your one-stop shop. It'll be the last thing that you need, the last tool that you'll go out and get, the last tool that you'll spend money on when it comes to starting your digital marketing career. Let me know in the comment section if you have questions about getting started with Gbolt Systems, as I would be happy to answer those for you. Now that you know the 5 best features of Gbolt Systems, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.